Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make banana bread with dates. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F and prepare a greased 9x 5-inch loaf pan. Mash 3 ripe bananas and fold in 1 cup chopped dates, 2 eggs, ½ cup sugar, and ¼ cup melted butter. Mix 2 cups flour with 1 teaspoon baking soda and a pinch of salt, then combine gently. Bake about 50 minutes until a skewer comes out clean. Start by gathering ingredients and preheating to 350 degrees F so everything stays on schedule. Chop dates into bite-sized pieces to distribute sweetness evenly throughout the loaf. Mash bananas until mostly smooth, but with a few small lumps for texture. Whisk eggs and sugar briefly, then stir in melted butter and vanilla if you like. Combine wet and dry ingredients just until mixed to avoid a dense bread, then gently fold in the dates. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can share more simple recipes. Quick recommendation: those leak-proof containers make meal prep easy and keep banana bread slices neat and mess-free, perfect for gifting or lunches. I use them to carry snacks without spills, and they save cleanup time, which is a small joy during busy baking days. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When you pour batter into the prepared pan, tap it lightly on the counter to release air bubbles. Place in the middle rack and bake for roughly 45 to 55 minutes, watching for a golden top. If the crust browns too fast, tent foil loosely after 30 minutes to prevent burning while the center finishes. Let the loaf rest so slice is set, then slice and enjoy with butter, cream cheese, or plain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.